Hello, what's up everybody? Mr. Raj here. Today, as you can see, we are doing car stereo installation for 2001 Toyota Ipsum with 2AZ engine. It was recently ordered, as you can see the plastic. So we are going to begin with two electricals, ACC and grounds, to see if it is working. Check this out.
Okay.
ACC or key on.
Okay. Put on ACC. We're supposed to press. Oh, okay. Just come on.
Alright, at this junction it is tested. Okay, so now we can connect the speakers and other things. Check this out.
Okay. We'll be mounting now. Press try it. Okay.
I could see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me.